Hello, this is Solid, and welcome to a Minecraft PE seed video. We can't go on the server right now because there's too many people on it, too laggy, and yeah. We have the name. We'll keep all these things down in the description, but the name is the Lifeboat server if you wanted to know. The address is play.lbsg.net. Port is the regular port that's always up.
And the last time we went on it, like a few months ago, it had like Hunger Games.
Yeah.
Very good Hunger Games, actually.
Yeah, the Lifeboat server some updates every month, so you'll see new map everywhere.
Yeah.
And if you want more seed maps, or should we do this for a living, write down in the description maps. Okay.
Okay. So bye.